Now let's work through another example step by step. Let's factorize x squared plus 7x plus 10. We have the quadratic term x squared, the middle term 7x, and the constant term 10. First, we need to find two numbers that multiply to give 10, and if we add them, they should give us 7. Here we can list all these pairs, factors pairs of 10. We have 1 with 10, 2 times 5, and we also have negative pairs such as minus 1 times minus 10 and minus 2 times minus 5. Now we check which pair adds up to 7. 1 plus 10 equal to 11, so nope. Minus 1 plus minus 10 equal to minus 11, nope. Minus 5 plus minus 2 equal to minus 7, that's negative 7, so nope. But lastly, 2 plus 5 equal to 7, perfect. Let's double check. 2 times 5 give us 10, and 2 plus 5 give us 7. Both conditions meet. So therefore, x squared plus 7x plus 10 factor to x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5. When you do factorization, especially during the examination, remember after you get your solution, please verify it by using cross multiplication. Here, let's arrange our factor form x plus 2 times x plus 5. We're going to cross multiply to check if we get back the original term. Cross multiply the terms x times 5 give us 5x, and x times 2 give us 2x. These are the two middle terms we get if we expanded our bracket. We add them together, we get 7x. And remember to check the constant term, 2 times 5 equals 10, which match our original constant term. Therefore, everything matches, and this is a proof that our factorization is correct. Always remember to do this check. It takes a few seconds and can save you from making mistakes. Now let's tackle a trigger case where the coefficient of x squared isn't 1. This is where we use our multiply a times c technique. Let's do this for 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. 2x squared is our quadratic term, 11x is our middle term, and plus 5 is our constant. Here's the key difference. Since our a value is 2, not 1, we need to find two numbers that multiply to a times c. So we calculate a times c equals to 2 times 5, which is 10. Our goal is to find two numbers that multiply to give us 10, and they should also add up to give us 11. Let's list all the factor pairs of 10. We have 1 times 10, 2 times 5, and the negative pair minus 1 times negative 10 and negative 2 times negative 5. Which pair adds to plus 11? Let's check. 1 plus 10 equals 11. That's it. And 1 times 10 equals to 10. So both the conditions meet. Next, the technique is called splitting the middle term. We use our number 1 and 10 to split the middle term and factor by grouping. We first split 11x using the magic numbers 10 and 1. So we have 2x squared plus 1x plus 10x plus 5. Notice that now we have 4 terms instead of 3 terms. And this is why we want to do grouping next. Put the terms into pair, 2x squared plus x plus 10x plus 5. And from each group, we can factor out separately. For the first group, we can take out x to give us x multiplied by 2x plus 1. For the second group, we can take out 5 to give us 5 multiplied by 2x plus 1. Now look at what happened. Both groups have the same bracket, 2x plus 1. This is the magic moment. When you see the same bracket appear in both groups, you know you're on the right track. Factor out the common bracket 2x plus 1, we get x plus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 1. Think of it this way. We now have x times 2x plus 1 plus 5 times 2x plus 1, which is equal to x plus 5 times 2x plus 1. So our final answer will be x plus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 1. As I mentioned, you should check this by expanding x plus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 1 to make sure that we get back 2x squared plus x plus 10x plus 5, which simplify back to 2x squared plus 11x plus 5.